What is up, everybody? I hope everybody's doing good. Happy Friday. I'm Robert with House Money Brakes. Me and my cousin Jamie do brakes and stuff. I found these repacks at Walmart. Got some pretty decent packs out of it. Got 2 packs of 2019-20 Prism. Got Zion and Ja. Then there's 6 packs of 2018-2019. Got Chronicles, NBA Hoops, Chronicles, Hoops, pack of Optic, and Hoops. Then got some 2017-18 Hoops, Prestige, Optic, Hoops, Optic, and Prestige. And then got 1 pack of 2012 Hoops. Check out our eBay, Popeye_8181. There's a Prism basketball 10 blaster break set up for tomorrow night. Join us. If you don't buy in, just join and watch. We always just try to enjoy, have something to do. We don't really do it to make a lot of money. We just do it because it's cool to open the cards. So which one am I going to open first? Let's do 17. 7. I'm off all weekend, so I've just been working on, well, we might not do 17. Because these packs were childproof in 2017. I need to go to the gym. These are all retail packs, by the way. Probably out of blasters. You got Gordon Dredick. I'll butcher these names. George Hill. Turn around backwards. Is it an auto? No, it is a parallel. Some kind of... Is it numbered? No. George Hill. He finally got over the hill. Here's a cool card. All-time greats, Scottie Pippen. The Bulls. I love watching the Bulls back in the day. They actually played defense. And Malois Thesdo, yeah, him, for the Clippers. Alright, we'll continue with 17 Prestige. I probably saved the Prism for last. I don't know, I might do. You got Luka's year in here. Chandler Parsons. Ante Zizic. So I guess you get one pair. Oh, that's an auto. That's pretty cool. Huh. I have to look him up. I don't remember that name. But I didn't really follow Cleveland that much. I mean, LeBron played with them, but I was never a hardcore LeBron fan. Hardcore heroes. Got Klay Thompson. And De'Aaron Fox, rookie. Not a bad rookie. Still in the league. Still playing. Now for Hoops, 2017-2018. I put new lights in here and they have a really bad glare. So I'm probably going to go back to my old lights. It's pretty cool, good auto. We got Joakim Noah. Nene C. Eric Bledsoe. One. One. Got one. Jonathan Simmons. Got a blue Nick Jeskis, yeah. Don't believe they're numbered. Got a Kobe Career Tribute. It's a cool card. Shout out to Kobe. And our rookie, Markelle Fultz. Who still plays? I can't remember who he plays with, but he still plays. Another hoop. There it is. We got Mr. Bender, Etwan Moore, Zach Randolph. I need to put my glasses on. Rodney Stuckley. A Shaquille O'Neal. If it's an auto, it'd be crazy. No, but it is a parallel. That's a cool card with a Heat. Not numbered. Got a Kyrie Irving on the blue. That's just a parallel. KD. And another Kobe tribute card. Shout out, Kobe. We got some optic. Let's see what we can get out of this. Nothing. Manui Ginobili, yeah. Deontay Davis. Got Devin Booker. I think that's a hollow. And then Jamal Crawford. Mr. Devin Booker for the Suns. It's a cool looking card. Yeah, Prism this year, their retail is good. Them 75th anniversary cards. Malcolm Brogdon. We're stuck together. There we go. Klay Thompson. Our hollow rookie Kings. Marquez Chris. And the Joker. It's a cool insert. And we'll go to 18-19. I'm sure if it's 18-19. I can't remember off the top of my head. Moritz Wagner. Got Steven Adams, aka I think he looks like Aquaman. Kelly Olynyk, Joe Harris, John Wall, Karl Malone, the Joker again, and Kevin Huerter or something like that. Hope everybody's had a good week. Have a relaxing weekend. I gotta fix a bunch of things. It's broke. But give me something to do. Got Devin Booker, Royce O'Neal, TJ Warren, KD, Nikolai Mitrovic, Stanley Johnson, Bam, Adebio, yeah. And Shabazz Napier. So you don't get a rookie attack. Wasn't sure. Get a little Kevin Love. Kawhi Leonard. Josh Hart. Derrick Rose. Austin Rivers. Kelly Olynyk. Joe Harris. And Thaddeus Young. Thaddeus. Now to Chronicles. Go packed open. Let me get my trusty rusty knife and not cut the cards. I can't even cut it right. Wow. That's awesome right there. I can do amazing things. Not in a good way either. DeAndre Ayton, rookie for Phoenix. We got Russell Westbrook, OKC. Joel Embiid. Jerome Robinson. And Colin Sexton. Another pack. Chronicles. That's childproof. There we go. Michael Porter Jr. Donovan Mitchell. He's an underrated player in my mind. Mo Bamba. Kevin Knox. And Marvin Bagley. Not a bad pack. Optic 2017. I put that in the wrong stack. Rondé Hollis Jefferson. Stuck together. There we go. Kyle Korver. Yao Ming. And Mason Plumlee. Like that Yao Ming card. 2012 hoops. I mean, odds to hit something is your minimum, but it's just cool to open these up. And you still got a chance. As long as you got a chance, you got a chance. Jordan Williams. Yep, I ain't gonna say that name. Spark plug. Oh, I guess that's it. Manu Ginobili. It's an insert. Spark plug. I guess he helps fire. That's what a spark plug does. Jordan Crawford. Myers Leonard. You get 10% off Panini. Alright, here's our packs. The odds of pulling a jaw is probably like 1 in 100,000. Same with Zion. But there's a chance because there's 4 cards in here. Well, make sure they're nice and flat. Hey, we got a silver in here. That's cool. RJ Barrett. Spencer Dewambe. The 76ers. Ben Simmons. It's a cool looking card on a true silver. Not bad. And Derek White. One more pack to go. I'm just getting this top loaded. Cards pop. Look good. Alright, our last pack. Like I said, be sure to check out eBay Popeye _8181. We got a Prism basketball breakup. We'll be breaking it tomorrow night. Join us if you like. Got Derrick Rose for the Pistons. We got some more color in here stuck together. Jason Kidd. The Bulls. Chris Dunn. And Jaren Jackson Jr. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. Almost hitting a big card. Like I said, be sure to check out our eBay page. It is Popeye _8181. We got a basketball breakup. Check out our YouTube at housemoneybreaks.com. Hope everybody has a great day. Thank you.